Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to join trending conversation in Threads. First of all, what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your Threads app and go to the search bar. Even without a trending section, the search results show what getting a lot of posts. Start typing core topics like iPhone, and then it'll show you guys and Taylor Swift or AI to active conversations. Follow big creators, influencers, and brands on thread posts about trends. First, jump into their comment section with smart and funny replies, and then cross-check Instagram / Twitter trends. Since Threads mirrors culture from Instagram and Twitter, trending topics are there often blow up on Threads within hours. Use keywords in your post. Threads do not use hashtag like Instagram, but include the exact keywords of trending topics helps you post appear in search. Don't worry, you did not miss a button. The full trending tab is being released gradually by Meta. So yeah, subscribe for more quick fixes.